Hello student, good morning all of 3 section class 8 A, B, C. Today I am going to teach you a poem in It So Happened. So look at the blackboard of you will be online. When I was at the party, said the Betty as it just four. A little girl fell on her chair right down upon the floor, and all the other little girls began to laugh but me. I didn't laugh a single bit, said Betty seriously. Why not? Her mother asked her, full of delight to find that Betty, bless her little heart, had been so sweetly kind. Why didn't you laugh, my darling? Or don't you like to take? I didn't laugh, sighed Betty, because it was I that fell. So this is a very short poem by anonymous writer, and here are some difficult words. बेटी in name of girls, लड़की का नाम. Aged, old, साल की. Laugh, smile, हंसे. Seriously, deeply, गंभीरता से. Darling, lovingly, प्रिय, प्यारी. And also a question. Write the summary of the poem in your own words. इस poem की, इस कविता की आपने summary, सारांश लिखनी है अपने शब्दों में. So when I was in this poem, a little girl says, when I was at the party, said Betty. Betty, her name, she said, when she was in party, just for a little girl fell on her chair. 4 साल की जो बालिका है वो अपनी चेयर में गिर जाती है, अपनी चेयर से गिर जाती है. Right down upon floor, सीधे फर्श पे, and all the others little girls began to laugh but me. लेकिन जब वो पार्टी में होती है सारी की सारी उसकी सहेलियाँ लड़कियाँ उस पर हंसती है, शुरू कर देती but me. लेकिन वो कहती लेकिन मैं. I didn't laugh a single bit, said the Betty seriously. वो गंभीरता से होकर कहती है कि मैं एक छोटा सा भी मुस्कान मेरे चेहरे पे नहीं थी, मैं नहीं हंसी. Why not? क्यों नहीं? Her mother asked her, full of the delight to find. उसकी मदर बड़ी डिलाइट होके, बड़ी प्रशंसित होके उससे कहती तुम क्यों नहीं हंसी बेटी? क्या रीजन था, तुम क्यों नहीं हंसी? That Betty bless her little heart. तो उसके बाद बेटी अपने मन को तसल्ली देती है, कहती है अपने मन को ब्लेस करती है. Had been so sweetly kind. कितना अच्छा है, कितना प्यारा है, कितना अच्छा है. Why didn't you laugh, my darling? Or don't you like to tell? तुम क्यों नहीं हंसी मेरी प्यारे? और don't you tell, you like to tell, या तुम बताना नहीं चाहती हो अपने मन में. I didn't laugh, said Betty. बेटी ने कहा मैं नहीं हंस सकी. Because it was I that fell. क्योंकि ये मैं थी जो गिरी थी, इसलिए मैं लाभ नहीं कर सकती, क्योंकि अपने ऊपर कैसे हंसती. So these poem inspire us how we can be serious in our motive. So you have to learn this poem and write down the summary of the poem. Next video I will be come back. Hope that's so.